Hi, my name is Tessnow-von from Wysocki and I'm one of the DOSI ambassadors here at PrepCom 2 of BBNJ. One key objective of the BBNJ agreement is to strengthen cooperation and coordination with and among different instruments, frameworks and bodies, so-called IFBs, that also have mandates in areas beyond national jurisdiction. So this gives BBNJ really the role as a catalyst for enhancing interactions in ocean governance. But as you can imagine, this is also a great challenge when we look at this complex, fragmented framework of ocean governance with different frameworks and bodies not only responsible for different areas of the ocean, but also governing different sectors such as fishing, shipping, or mining. But this diversity of IFBs is also a great opportunity. An opportunity to share best practice examples and to share lessons learned from collecting data in ABNJ, just in general, knowledge sharing of the deep ocean, setting up of databases, identifying areas in need of protection, and monitoring and enforcement of such areas. In this PrepCom, negotiators discussed this item on the cooperation and coordination with and among other bodies. And different levels of cooperation were discussed, including the role of the Secretariat, the Conference of the Parties, but also the responsibility of each party of the BBNJ agreement to promote the objectives of BBNJ in these other IFBs. And more concrete ideas included formal arrangements such as Memorandum of Understandings, informal arrangements, ad hoc or continuous interactions, the linking of databases, and data sharing and knowledge sharing. And we see many of these IFBs present here in New York at the PrepCom to shape the outcome or the process towards the next Conference of the Parties meetings. And we also see that states are putting great importance on including these IFBs in the process. So if you're not in New York, you can follow on the webcast. Most of the sessions are webcasted on the web TV. Or if you happen to be in New York, please join our side event, which is going to be on Tuesday, the 26th of August, on cooperation with regional fisheries management organizations. And if you meet any of the DOSI ambassadors, come and talk to us if you have any questions or want to connect. Thank you and see you soon.